Meaning of Hereford.
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 Hereford. Hereford is a city in western England, located in the county of Herefordshire. The name Hereford comes from the Old English words here, meaning army or soldiers, and ford, meaning river crossing. This refers to the city's location on the River Wye, which made it an important crossing point for armies throughout history. Nowadays, Hereford is known for its historic cathedral, bustling market town, and beautiful countryside surroundings. It is also home to a number of attractions and festivals that celebrate the city's rich cultural heritage.